So here we are, as one of the things that causes the most confusion with people is regarding feed hoses. I'm going to show you how to install a feed hose. First off, slide the nut over the mixer. The wide end of the feed hose, people think it goes on the port, but no. This is where the mixer goes in, and you got to push in fairly hard and twist just slightly and it'll snap in place. Now it's basically ready to go. If your cartridge is standing up and open, you can simply put your mixer on. Now, if you've got a spring-loaded gun, or even not, this is extremely handy because now you could have your injection gun sitting on a ladder or a box or stool. You can put this directly into a port on the wall. If you've got a port, this fits snug. You can do the injection, and if your injection gun is still pressured up, you can use this stop to stop the flow. Disconnect this, and the pressure can stay in the hose. You can move on to the next port, and of course, after you've done that port and it's come out the next one, you simply cap the port. Now, you can also use these feed hoses with an auto injector. These will fit in here snug, same sort of thing. The only thing is that these don't have a lid for them. A lot of times people will just put the auto injector syringe back on, used up, and just put the elastics on so it's, everything keeps and stays in the wall. So the other thing to keep in mind is feed hoses should only be used with low viscosity products. In other words, thin products. So you're going to use it with the 102 polyurethane, the Coster, the ultra low viscosity epoxy number 4, medium viscosity, but we don't recommend or support the use of these feed hoses with any of the thicker products. Simply, it requires too much pressure to make it through this hose. You'll simply just a waste product and it won't come out the other end because it requires too much pressure. So that's it with feed hoses. Now, if by chance you don't have a feed hose and you need to complete a job and you're going, well, how can I make this happen? So here's kind of a home brew feed hose. This is your standard mixer nut. Now this is 1/4 inch vinyl hose, 3/8 1/4 inch ID, 3/8 OD. It happens to fit nicely directly into the ports. Of course, you don't have a shutoff valve, but if you've got a location that you can't get at and you need to make a feed hose, this particular vinyl tubing is available pretty well at any hardware store. It will get the job done.